This is a topic from reasoning. The name of this topic is ranking. Before going with the formulae of this topic, let's describe what is ranking. It is the position of an object in an orderly manner. In a queue, position of person from upward is equal to total number of persons minus position of person from down plus 1. Similarly, position of person from downward is equal to total number of persons minus position of person from up plus 1, and position of person from right is equal to total number of persons minus position of person from left plus 1, and position of person from left is equal to total number of persons minus position of person from right plus 1. This is just a type. There are so many types from this chapter. It is better to note this formulae before going to the actual problem. So actually this formulae seems difficult to memorize, but if you practice questions related to this formula, it is very easy and very easy. So before going to the questions, please note this formula. It will help you solving questions from this type. So, given Shyam ranks 11th in a class. Shyam ranks 11th in a class of 41 students. What will be his rank from the last? So, it is given Shyam ranks 11th in a class. 11th in a class means he is 11th from the top. From 41 students in total. What will be his rank from the last? So, using the formula, Shyam rank from last is equal to total number of persons, which is 41, minus Shyam ranks 11th in a class, means Shyam's ranking is 11th from the top. So total number of students minus his actual rank from the top plus 1. So 41 minus 11 is 30, and add 1, it comes as 31. So Shyam rank from last is 31 and Shyam ranks from top is 11th, or from first is 11. So this is how you solve questions from this type. Okay, in this question it is given Gomes is 9 ranks ahead of Shyam. That is, Gomes is 9 ranks before Shyam in a class of 41. If Shyam rank is 18th from the last, what is Gomes rank from beginning? So it is how to solve. Now you see Shyam ranks is 18th from the last and Gomes is 9th ranks ahead of Shyam. Means if Shyam is 18th from the last, so Gomes rank from last is equal to 18 plus 9, because Sham is 18th from the last and Gomes is 9th ranks ahead of Sham. Gomes is 9 ranks before Sham. So Gomes rank from last will be 18 plus 9 is 27. So it is Gomes rank from the last. Now the question to be answered is, what is Gomes rank from beginning? So Gomes rank from beginning is equal to, using the formula, there are how many students in a class? 41. So 41 minus 27 plus 1. Correct? So 41 minus 27 comes as 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. So Gomes is rank is 15 from the beginning. Okay. In this question, before going to the question, let's discuss its type. So total number of persons in a queue. Total number of persons in a queue is given with the formula position of person from upward, that is top or right, plus position of person from downward, that is from last or left, minus 1. So let's solve this question with using this formula. It is given Sham ranks 6th from the top and 14th from the bottom in a class. How many students are there in the class? So it is given Sham ranks 6th from the top. So how many students are there in the class? So total number of students will be, total number of students is equal to, Sham is 6th from the top, that is position of person from upward 6th, plus position of person from downward and 14 from the bottom. So 14 from the bottom or from the last, plus minus 1. So 6 plus 14 is 20, 20 minus 1, which is as 19. So total number of students is equal to 19. This is another topic or type from the topic ranking. It is given changing of position or rank in a queue. If two people with a fixed position from left and right and up and down interchange their ranks, then total number of persons in the queue will be present position of the first person plus previous position of the second person minus 1. It is same as total number of persons in a queue given in the earlier types we have discussed, that is the position of the person from the left plus position of the person from the right minus 1. So similarly, this is a formula where interchange of positions happened. Now let's discuss with the question. In a row of boys, Sham is 7th from the left and Ogniv is 18th from the right. If they interchange their positions, Sham becomes 12th from the left. How many boys are there in the row? So using this formula, present position of Sham, because Sham from 7th now he is 12th from the left. So Sham's present position of the first person, that is Sham, is 12th from the left. okay, plus previous position of the second person is Ognif, so previous position of Ognif is 18th, was 18th, so 12 plus 18 minus 1, so it comes as 12 plus 18, 30 minus 1, which is 29. So you see how easy it is to solve this type of questions. This is another type from the topic ranking, present position of second person. So difference of the two positions of first person plus previous position of the second person. In a row of boys, Sham is 6th from the left. Sham is the first person who is 6th from the left, and Manish, who is the second person, is 7th from the right. When they interchange their places, Sham becomes 13. Sham, who is the first person, becomes 13 from the left. Then what will be Manish position from the right? So as per the formula given, we will apply it and try to solve. So Shams is now 13th from the left. Previously Sham was 6th from the left. So difference of the two positions of the first person, 13 minus 6, which comes as 7. Okay, plus previous position of the second person. Previous position of the second person, Manish, is 7th. So plus 7. Total is 14. Then what will be Manish positions from right? Manish positions will be 14th from the right. Previously it was 7th from the right. Now it is 14th from the right. The formula we used is the difference of the two positions of first person plus previous position of the second person.